Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you need help verifying your email on Weverse, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process, common issues and quick fixes so you can access all features without trouble. After creating your Weverse account via email, Google or social login, check your inbox for a verification email from Weverse Company Inc. So open your mailbox. If it is not there, check your spam or junk folder. I can see it right here. Open the link and click on the Verify Email button or link. This confirms your email and unlocks full access to features like posting and commenting. If you have not received a mail yet, tap Resend Verification Email in the app or website. Check your email again, including the spam folder. If it still does not show, retry using a different email address. In April 2024, Weverse added one-time SMS verification to improve security. If prompted, enter your phone number, receive the code via SMS and complete verification. If your link is expired, request a new verification email. If it's still not working, clear cache or reinstall the Weverse app and try again. If spam filters are blocking, whitelist emails from weverse.io or account.weverse.io. And that's how to verify your email on Weverse. Once done, you can post, comment, and fully enjoy the app. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.